Hello everyone, do you know that anyone can easily access your phone number and location without knowing you? And if you just want to stop it, what you need to do in this video, I will show you that. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings and then you just need to find out Google. So here you can see this is Google, just select it and right now select all services and then you just need to find out phone number sharing. So here you can see this is phone number sharing. You just need to open it and then you can see this option is enable. Actually this option can easily share your phone number with Google and other site, so that's why immediately turn off it. So after turn off, go back and open your Chrome browser. So after open your Chrome browser, select three dot on the top right hand corner and then select settings, and then you just need to find out addresses and more. Here you can see, simply select it. So right now here you can see this option also enable. Actually this option can share your location with Google and other site, that's why immediately turn off it. So after that, go back and open your phone settings again, and here you can see I just open it and find out privacy and security. So here you can see this is uh, privacy protection. I select it and right now select all permission. Actually you just need to find out permission manager from your mobile phone. If you don't find this way, you can easily search it on your settings option. So right now there you just need to check call logs and location. Here you just need to select call log and you just need to check any apps that don't need to allow call log permission. You just need to immediately turn off it, like I just turn off this option. And right now go back and right now I just need to check location option, and here you just need to check any apps or unnecessary apps allowed your location, immediately turn off it, like I select this on and don't allow. So in this way you can change your settings and you can protect your uh, phone number and location sharing with other site or any other person from your mobile phone to others. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.